Welcome back to Wealthy Reads. Today, we're delving into security analysis and business valuation on Wall Street, a comprehensive guide to today's valuation methods by Jeffrey C. Hooke. If you want to master the art of valuing companies like a Wall Street pro, this book is essential. Jeffrey C. Hooke, a seasoned investment banker and private equity executive, provides a thorough guide to modern valuation techniques. This book covers a wide range of methods, from traditional approaches like discounted cash flow DCF and comparable company analysis to more advanced techniques used by professionals on Wall Street. Hooke starts by explaining the fundamentals of security analysis and valuation. He emphasizes the importance of understanding a company's financial statements, industry position, and competitive landscape. The book is packed with real-world examples and case studies that illustrate how these concepts are applied in practice. One of the standout features of this book is its practical approach. Hooke provides detailed step-by-step instructions on how to perform various valuation methods. He explains the pros and cons of each technique and offers insights on when to use them. This makes the book accessible for both beginners and experienced analysts. Hooke also delves into the intricacies of business valuation for mergers and acquisitions (M&A). He discusses the key factors to consider when valuing target companies and explains how to negotiate and structure deals. This section is particularly valuable for anyone involved in corporate finance or investment banking. As we conclude this review, it's clear that security analysis and business valuation on Wall Street is an indispensable resource for anyone looking to excel in the field of valuation. Whether you're a student, a financial analyst, or a business owner, Hooke's insights will help you make informed investment decisions. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealthy Reads, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts on this book in the comments below. What are your go-to valuation methods? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.